In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Warzone 2, also known as your Activision name. If you've been playing for a while and feel like it's time for a new identity in the game, or perhaps you just want to refresh your online presence, this guide is just for you. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to ensure your gaming setup is ready. This is ideally done on a computer for ease of access, so go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. Once you're online, head over to the official Activision website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in. When logging in, make sure you use the email address and password associated with your Activision account. This is the same set of details you usually use when hopping on to play Warzone 2. If by any chance you've forgotten your credentials, you might have to spend a few extra moments resetting your password using the password recovery options on their site. Now, once you're logged in successfully, locate the profile name or icon, typically found in the top corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu or a new page featuring various options related to your account. You'll want to find and select Account Management or sometimes just Account Settings from this list. It's easy to find, but if you're having trouble, take a moment to scan through all the tabs. It's there somewhere. In the Account menu, navigate to the Basic Info section. Here's where all your main account details live. Focus on your display name. This is your Activision name, the one you want to change. Click on both your current name and the little edit icon beside it. Depending on your account status and any changes to Activision's policies, you might be able to proceed. This is where you'll type in your desired new name. Remember, your new name should adhere to community guidelines. It needs to be appropriate, free of any banned words or phrases, and not already taken by someone else. You're given the flexibility to be as creative as you like, as long as you stay within those boundaries. After typing in your new name, save the changes and give it a moment to update. Typically, this should take effect immediately, but there could be a slight delay. Once done, log out and log back into your game to double-check your new name is displaying correctly. To wrap things up, by following these simple steps, you can change your name in Warzone 2 effortlessly. Whenever you feel like reinventing your identity or branding yourself in a new light, you now have the know-how to do so. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy gaming, and may your new name bring you luck and more thrilling adventures out there in Warzone 2.